Done yet? We haven't we done yet? Oh, wait a second. Somebody did this the other night, and I thought it was one of the greatest choices. So I'm gonna cue it up for you here.
It's good.
It's a gem. It really is.
All right.
That's a good one. I love this song.
Love, exciting and new. Come aboard, we're expecting you. And love, life's sweetest reward. Let it flow. It floats back to you, the love boat. Soon we'll be making another run. Love boat promises something for everyone. Set a course for adventure, your mind's on a new romance. And love won't hurt anymore. It's an open smile on a friendly shore. It's love. Welcome aboard, it's love.
Oh my! Oh my!